You gotta know that I lost control. I've never felt like this, now it's something that I own. I think you gotta know that I lost control. I've never felt like this, now it's something that I own.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to react to Rofu from Japan versus Railway from France. Grand Beatbox Battle 2021 World League Semi-Finals. And let's go.
Say the San, you say the knee and the EG. Ladies and gentlemen, Sean!
Knee, EG, Beatbox.
Hello, we are long way from France. No, we are from Japan.
There we go. He's too what?
Mortal Kombat! Mortal Kombat! Excellent. KO. Liu Kang. Rhythm. Scott Jackson. And Scott Jackson. And Scott Jackson. Mortal Kombat!
Hey.
お前はもう死んでいる。
Time!
Hey, I think they did this in the Asian champs, so I already know what they did. I like the new stuff. That's nice. Let's go.
Switch! Okay, well, so you ready to play with me? Whenever I do this with my arm, you say, like this, perfect. Let's go.
Got a little confused there.
Solo llegan mis quejas. Ay, 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 que negro mi destino. Ay, ay, Dios, solo llegan mis quejas.
Oh, nice switch.
Time! Switch!
Wow. That was a really good first round. Let me check if everything's good. Alright. What can I say? The drum and bass hits too hard. I think we'll give this to Rogue Wave. So, yeah. What's Rofu gonna do?
No. Yeah, they are cool. So good. So good.
Of course. They did this again.
But we are better.
Oh,
We
okay.
are to make some days.
Yeah.
Yo, hi. Do you know Smash Brothers?
Smash Brothers. Yeah. Yo, you see what 10 more seconds? Ah.
And that's time. Switch!
I remember them doing the Titanic song at the Asian Jams. Every night in my dreams. Okay. What can I say? Damn. That's actually a pretty good round. Okay. The glasses.
It's been a long time since you fell in love. You're coming out yourself. You're thinking yourself. Tell me what must I do to tell my love? Cause luckily I'm good at treating. I would have everybody won't stop teasing. And we can dance all day around it. If you want it, I'll be bouncing. If you want it, scream and shout it, babe. Before I leave you dry.
I've seen you.
5.
Hey. Yes, I'm a 10-year-old. Wow. That's more of like a chill plus trap or dubstep at the same time. I love that. That's a really good cover. I'll give this a little bit to Rogue Wave. This can be a 5-0 decision, can it? Let's see. Much love. The streets wine.
Rogue Wave, Rofu. If you enjoyed the battle, make some noise. That being said, only one can head to the finals. We go to our esteemed judging panel. Judges, this side for Rogue Wave.
Yep.
This side for Rofu.
Okay.
Heading to the finals, Grand Beatbox Battle 2021 Tag Team. I say the 3, y'all say the 2 and the 1 crowd. In 3.
I see some overtimes. Man,
Rogue
it's another
Wave.
5-0 decision. Again. Big ups. Okay, I'm so happy for them. Wow. Remind me, I'm just on my phone. Checking my TikToks.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can keep cheering for Rofu right now, though.
Yeah.
Yo, we're Rogue Wave. Thank you so much for watching our video at the Grand Beatbox Battle 21.
If you liked our stuff, you can follow us on Instagram at roguewave.bbx. We hope to see you there.
We are the Roosevelt.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching this video. Please check our Instagram and Twitter and YouTube and
Oh, don't mind me. I was just on my phone on TikTok. I got Spencer X's attention. I'm happy. Yeah. And what can I say? Rogue Wave. Collab says we're going to battle Rofu. I love their energy, and they truly became one of the tag teams I look forward to see perform again. Enjoy the battle. Okay. What can I say? Epic battle guys. Much love from Australia. Yeah. And that'll be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe. Feel free to tell me what you want me to react to next. And yeah, have a great day. Peace. Ish.
I think you've gotta know that I've lost control. I've never felt like this, now it's something that I know. I think you've gotta know that I have lost control. I've never felt like